Watch, watch. Hear me, no, man. Of the world, it's not a plan. Watch this. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know a full effect thing, don't it? You know it go already, you know, when I aim up, load up, crank up and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion, boy, are the most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Hear me, no, man? Right about now, you know. Me no know how to see it in a people. But I want to know if you know, you know. Say, you know, no disrespect, you know, to no past artists now, you know, future reggae artists. No disrespect. But right now, you know, I think Buju Banton are the best thing since Bob Marley, you know. And Buju Banton have the wickedest reggae and dancehall catalog since Bob Marley. Yes, when I did it, not even Bob Marley's son them have the catalog where Buju have, you know, and a lollipop thing, you know. And right now, you know, it's easy for proving, you know, because I tell you already, you know, when reggae artists are shining, you know, most of them, you know, are Europe, you know, or Africa, the man them go, you know, to get them large turnout there, you know, where Buju Banton are getting at the Caribbean, you know. And even if you see a show in the Caribbean, so ram up, you know, my virgin, sometimes all 4 or 5 artists, them have on it, you know. You see what I deal with? I'm 4 or 5 main artists, though. No look a water down thing. And I say Buju Banton alone I go on the whole Caribbean and I dominate like that. A total domination. So my sister right now, the world have maximum amount of respect for Buju Banton and him catalog. So I no lollipop thing. Cause when me see the man, you know, the man shell down Guyana flat, you know. And I still think the man could have done more. I don't ever think him a half-mass the man, half-mass the gas. The man never floor the gas pedal. I know that. You see what I deal with? I know that the man half-mass the gas pedal. He never floor it. And when they floor the gas pedal, all know some big building in a Guyana collapse. Plus the mountain them. And another lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? So, just to show you know, because the man them a go like say them did want reggae if you take a back page, you know. And you see Chronics rise up, you know, Kibaka Pyramid, and the little girl named Coffee rise up, you know. But me say, the power and the force and the love where Buju Banton are move through with right now. Me have to say, yo, since Bob Marley are the man that, you hear that? And without a doubt, hands down, I'm not ask nobody, I tell you no. So, I say respect to all past reggae artists, and even the one them were still there right now, I maintain. But I saw it go. You see what I deal with? Buju Banton is a cut above the rest. You know what I mean? And the material evidence them there for show you that, so we ain't no argument with no boy. You see me? So no lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? Watch now, no? I see Cynthia run up on her Instagram and I big up the people them and I say, yo, she thank the fans them cause here what go on. She say a 3 day now and a 3 million and odd views there on her shit. And then I go hear she say something about eating. You see what I deal with? And some local man run underneath her page and make she know. Them want to eat her off right now. And she run like thief. So Monga try for show you know. This thing, this kind of thing, you know, man. Me see it exposed all over like a blood clot load explosion. Me never so much cliff you have in the world. We just want to go run and name down girl cliff like that. Eh? More than for so much cliff you have in the world. How much time on the hear some mouth water can't breathe, girl? What's wrong with unu little boy? Eh? What wrong with them little cliff, yeah, man? I run up and down on social media and I go on with no tongue. Keep on a fucking tongue in on the mouth, my brethren. What's wrong with you now? Eh? That's why we say fire for the both of them with a vamp and taste. Copper to them face, them a tan pan face. Them a man now want to take, man. We slap them now them. Watch. I know a general and a lollipop thing, you know, ladies don't bother believe me forgot, you know. Cause me as we telling you, you know, say better late than never. See it here? See it there? Oh it look. I smell you, supposed to smell it. Oh it look. Some oxtail and some steppers in it. And another lollipop thing. You know, I just forward in from the half of my 9 to 5. You know, on a lollipop thing, I just forward half of my 9, half of my 2-0. You see what I deal with? And still coming out the kitchen, come and shell with things because you don't know I'm so a responsible man. Move! So you know, on a lollipop thing. But me I say, my people them, I say since Bob Marley, and no disrespect to no past artists, no reggae artists where they right now stand up. No disrespect. And no disrespect to Bob Marley youth them. But right now, Buju Banton have the powerfulest catalog right now in the world in a reggae music. And I say not even Bob Marley, boy, them have them catalog there. And a lollipop thing. You see me, and it's not a true word thing and it's not a competition. But it's just the fucker. You know how me stay. Me not go run from the truth because you know when time me spit out the truth, you know me not deal with the lollipop thing. And me not business who want to say this or say that. Because the truth can only be an offense, but it's not a sin. So we say big up to the God, give me a Buju Banton for set things straight. And the people them say them can't wait till Vybz Kartel come a road because the same domination where Buju go on with in a reggae music, and that I go on in a dancehall because you know see say the dance most of the dancehall artists them fall up right now. Especially the one them where them that bring to competition because them force up this local youth against Kartel and him use Kartel style and boss. Right now people beat it in him head. Him want slip away from the style. Him stop use the style and him start create a impact. Him lost him impact. You see what I deal with? You know why? Kartel all do one song and have all 5 different flow in it. I saw the man just a change flow like a gear him change. You know what I mean? You know like them 5 forward Mustang there where I go cross country. I saw the man just a kick in gear man, 5 forward man. What I say? Just a change flow like nothing. You see what I deal with effortlessly. You see what I deal with? It's like an armchair ride. Right now the man I lead them a merry dance. Right now, you know. Me all up in a Boston, you know, and hear Kartel song all a play upon the big radio station up there, you know. Up na Massachusetts, you know. And I tell the man them, yo, no, wait till summer because you don't hear nothing yet. Pan summer, that I forget rotation every minute pan that station there. Watch and see for a lollipop thing. You know the general, the 10-star one, I'm always represent, you know, for my subscriber them and the ladies them on Sunday I go. Eh? You know enjoy yourself? Eh? What you know say? You know take the pool tomorrow because you know a Memorial Day. You know the general, the 10-star one I represent. Watch. Now fine style. Oh.